Some website builders hide their best tools, but Wix gives you these for free. And honestly, it almost feels illegal. In this video, I'm showing you 6 Wix features that can instantly make your site look professional, polished, and way more expensive than it actually is. Let's dive into it. Feature number 1. Let's start with one of my favorite hidden gems, the Wix Logo Maker. If you don't have a logo yet, you do not need to hire a designer. With the Wix Logo Maker, creating a logo and establishing your brand's identity has never been more straightforward. From your dashboard, navigate to the left column, go down to Site and Mobile App, click Logo and Brand. This will load the Logo Maker. Get started. It's going to prompt you with 4 questions about your logo design. What type of business do you have? This is a recipe blog. What vibe do you want for your logo? Depending on the vibe, will depend on the type of fonts, icons, and colors that the Logo Maker chooses. We'll go ahead and click Creative. What text do you want in your logo? It's usually your business name. We'll keep it Best of Recipes. And then finally, what's your tagline or slogan? Taglines are optional, but strengthen your brand. If you don't have a tagline, you can ask AI to generate one for you. And we'll go ahead and click Savor Every Bite. Done. So now the Logo Maker is creating your logo, and it will create a plethora of logos for you to choose from. Here you can see on the left side we have different logos that the Logo Maker created based on the feedback we provided. So here you can scroll through and just look and see which one you feel is best for your website. As you can see, there are a lot of options. We'll go ahead and just pick one. It'll load it into the editor. You simply click Customize Your Logo up here to edit it. Once in the editor, you can create text boxes, change the text, symbols, shapes. You can add images. You can change the background. You can change the color scheme. And once your design is complete, you simply save it to your logos. And then click on Logo and Brand. It takes you back to your logo section. And there we have it. Our new logo is here in our logo section, ready to be used. Or if we wanted to continue editing, or if we want to add to it, create another logo. A lot of options here. This is just a quick overview of the Logo Maker and feature number 1. I think this is really valuable. I mean, you can spend a lot of money if you use a designer to build logos. Having this feature within Wix is very powerful. Feature number 2, this one saves beginners a ton of money. Wix includes free stock photos and videos built right into the editor. You can add high quality visuals without paying for stock subscriptions. Once you're inside the editor, you simply click on a section, and then up here you can click Manage Media. And right here, you can organize the pictures that are within that section. So let's say we wanted to replace this picture. Click here, you can edit the picture, you can adjust the quality, you can replace the image, you can remove it. Let's go ahead and replace it. And this will take us into the media section where you can use your own uploaded files that you upload to your site files, your boards, or you can explore photos and visuals from media from Wix, Shutterstock, Unsplash, or you can have AI create you an image. So let's go ahead and choose one, media from Wix. We'll just type in recipes, and here we have a plethora of photos to pick from. Let's go ahead and select this one. You can add it to your favorites board so you can use it later if you want. And we'll go ahead and preview. Looks good. You can see it's high quality. We'll add to the page. And presto, just like that, our third image has been replaced with this nice picture of salmon. That is how easy it is to add or change an image on your website. The Wix Media Library has thousands of images to choose from. These are professional, high-quality images optimized for websites. Feature number 3 is transparent video overlays. Here you can make your website stand out and impress your visitors by incorporating or uploading your own videos with transparent backgrounds. To do this, simply navigate to the left panel and click the plus sign, which is Add Elements. Go to Decorative. Down to the video section, click Transparent Video, and then More Transparent Videos. And here you can see Media from Wix is our selection over here from the left panel. You can also select from Shutterstock and Unsplash. And then you can filter by either transparent videos or videos. We're focused on transparent videos. And Wix provides you a pretty good selection of videos. You can hover over them and see them in action. Pretty cool. You can also narrow it down to your niche. So my niche is recipes, so we'll call it food. And then we'll just select one. Here's fast food. You can click here to add it to your favorites board. Preview it. We'll add it to page. And then just like any element, you can resize it, move it, edit it. As you can see, you have the ability to change the settings, the behaviors, the design, the animation and effects. We'll go ahead and bring this down here to this section. And let's go ahead and shorten this up a little bit. We can preview this. And there you go. We have a transparent video with a cool animated effect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's go ahead and add one more. And we'll again search on food. Let's add this hamburger. Let's go ahead and resize this. And what's cool about this is you can layer this over the first one we added. Click preview. And now you'll see them both in action. So pretty cool. I think it jazzed up the website. I think this is another great feature that Wix provides you. Typically for website development, this effect is usually custom coded. Wix, they just provide it to you. Feature number 4 is the Wix built-in photo editor. Wix has a built-in photo editor that's perfect for quick adjustments. So in our website here, we're in the classic Wix editor. So this top page here, we have a Wix Pro gallery of pictures. So in order to edit these pictures, we need to go into Manage Media. And then here we have a couple of options. We can add media, we can change the format of the gallery itself, or if we want to edit a picture, we go into this specific picture, click on the 3 dots here, and we can edit the image. And then once you're in here, you can crop and extend the image, or adjust the brightness, the contrast, the highlights. If we crop and extend, you can change the format. We can take it from this free option to 9:16. We can make it 4:5. Let's go ahead and make it 1:2. And then you can change the orientation to make it portrait or landscape. So these were images provided by the template that I installed on this website. So here we are editing those provided images. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and save this. Another option is to, if you have an image like we have here, you can simply click on the image. And then here we have the option to edit the image. This is a standalone image, so you can click Edit Image. And again, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, highlights. You can change, crop and extend, change the format, the orientation, the pixels. You can upscale the image. And if you don't like this image, you can simply change the image, and then you can pick from Wix's library. So that's cool. So say we don't like that image and we want to go with this image. Simply click preview, choose image, and boom, it's changed. So as you can see, the Wix photo editor is very powerful. It's very useful, very easy to navigate, very easy to edit your images. What's nice is you don't have to go to an external source like Photoshop to create and load images. Feature number 5 is the live chat widget. This is a widget / app that I feel can increase trust instantly and give you that professional look that your customers are looking for when they navigate to your website. So there's a couple ways you can access the app and configure the app. You can do it from your home page by simply going down to apps, and then you can go to app market, and then here you can search for the type of app that you want. So in this case we'll do chat, and as you can see there's 48 apps. You can also go to your editor and go down to the Add Apps section here on your left panel. And same thing, you just want to type in chat, and it will pull up all the chat apps that are available for you to install. Now there are numerous chat apps. There's a WhatsApp chat, there's I believe there's a Facebook, Facebook Messenger and more. There's also some apps down here that allow you to add buttons for certain social media platforms, a little video. So there's different things you can add. We're focused on adding this chat app right here, Wix Chat. So we'll simply select this, and then we'll click Add to Site. And as you can see, it's adding it to the site. And just like that, the chat app has been added to our site. It's down here. Within the editor, you can click here and go into settings. And here you can change numerous settings to give your chat app, or chat bot as some people like to call it, that look and feel that you're comfortable with and that you feel your customers will appreciate and easily engage with. So as you can see, there's under main, you can set up email notifications, you can schedule online chat hours, there's display settings that you can change. You can change the look and feel, the design, the color, the text. You can manage pre-chat forms. So there's a lot you can do. Something else I wanted to show you is you can go over back to Add Apps here. And I believe you can do, you can manage apps from here. So here you can look at your installed apps and go down to the Wix Chat, which is now installed. Open the dashboard for that app. And then go in here and there's additional settings you can change, like enable chat hours. You can change the chat hours when it's available. Here you can do a pre-chat form. You can add a phone number, message, set the online form. So as you can see, there's a lot you can do to get this chat app the look, feel, and functionality that you're striving for and that you feel your customers are looking for. I think it's a cool feature, and I think it's one you'll really like. That is feature number 5, the live chat widget. Last but not least is feature number 6, multi-language support. This is something most beginners don't even realize they have. Utilizing the Wix multilingual feature, your website can be translated either manually or automatically into 180 different languages. To configure, simply navigate to the left panel, go to Apps, go to App Market, and in the search field here, you just want to type in multi-L, multilingual, and we want to install the Wix multilingual app, which is free to install. Select that, add to site, Okay, here the app is installed. We'll click Start Now. And it's detecting our original language, which will be English. And you can put a flag to your original language. So we'll go ahead and select flag. Oh, we'll go ahead and type in United States. Select flag. Confirm original language. And the app is installed and ready to be configured. So here you can add a language. So for example, we can add, we'll select Spanish. And then for the flag, we'll just put Mexico. And then how do you want to start translating? Manual or machine? We'll go ahead and select manual. And then make site in Spanish visible right away. We want to say yes. Add language. And just like that, we've added Spanish as a language that my website can be translated to. So you can add languages all day long. Like I said, there's roughly 180 that you can translate your website to. For each language, you can go over here to the 3 dots and edit your translations. You can set the regional format, change the flag, set as default visitor language. You can do that for both the language that you add and the original language. Click up here in settings and you can do language auto switch. So as you can see, there's different settings that you can set depending on your needs. But that's a cool feature. If you want your website to be international, you want to make sure that your customers internationally are navigating the website in the language they prefer. And that's why these Wix features almost feel illegal, because tools like this usually cost extra or require experience. I will create a separate video detailing each feature, so be on the lookout for those videos. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other beginner-friendly Wix tutorials so you can build smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.